If your little one doesn't finish their food or if you need to take it on the go, having a baby food storage container can make meal prep much easier. Recommended, a set of 4 adorable 4-ounce food storage containers with tray from Pappu. The clear lids allow you to see the food clearly, BPA-free and absolutely safe. High-quality material, durable and sturdy, easy to open and close. The clear lid lets you see the food inside. Microwave safe, heat food easily without needing to transfer to another container. Stackable tray, saves storage space and keeps everything neatly organized. Refrigerator friendly, keeps food fresh for longer. Compact size saves fridge space, making storage neat and access effortless. Caution: this packaging is not suitable for use by children. Check the packaging before each use. Check the food temperature before serving it to children. Open the lid before microwaving. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.